Good morning, everyone. Um as you know, you were having your exam today, and here is a marking scheme of the first set, that is set A. And first of all, I'm going to discuss the answers of the MCQs, which were comprises of 24 marks. So the first question was having four MCQs. The first question is, which of the following brings personal warmth and friendliness between the sender and the receiver? So the correct answer for this is oral communication. So oral communication is the correct answer. Next we have, which of the following statement related to self-regulation is correct? So for self-regulation helps people to show their irritation and frustration. Self-regulation makes people more independent. Self-regulation helps people to behave in socially acceptable ways. Self-regulation helps people to cope up with strong feeling. So correct answer is self-regulation. A. Self-regulation helps people to show their irritation and frustration. So incorrect statement was being asked. The two important personality traits that entrepreneur possesses are dash and dash. So optimism and uncertainty, motivation and distrust, creativity and gloom, perception and intuition, on the basis of which they actually work. So that is perception and intuition is the correct answer. Next, we have building sensitivity towards all cultures and celebrating diversity is called. Correct answer for this is economic growth, environmental protection, cultural diversity, social inclusion. So correct answer is cultural diversity. Next we have second MCQ question number, and the first question is, dash mimics the effect of too much light in a picture. A further dialog box opens to adjust the parameter. So which is the tool which mimics the effect of too much light in a picture? That is solarization. Solarization is the correct answer for this question. This is from the word processing chapter. Next, the dash command can be used to switch the mode for a worksheet from unshared to shared document. So you were supposed to tell the correct tool from where this option is available. So this option is available under the tools menu and share document. Next we have, a dash can be set for a field if user don't provide any value while entering the values in the table. So the correct answer is for this. This is from the database chapter where we have some field properties. Last time I asked you a question that there must be an entry in the field for that correct answer or entry required. This time it was about default value. So correct answer is default value. Default value is the correct answer. Next we have WordPress has support for dash for customizing the design of a blog. So template, theme, background design, design cannot be there. Background can be there, but this is not the correct word which will be used. Template will not be the correct word. Themes is the correct answer for this question. To protect the table of contents from being changed accidentally, check the dash checkbox. So all option seems similar, but the correct answer which will be there, that will be protected against manual change, which is given in the dialog box. Next, we have third question. On the filter tab of accept or reject change dialog box, you can choose how to filter the list of changes. So this you can simply, like we can say that you can simply have an idea with the help of um, um, guess also, that we can filter any data from by date also, author also, cell range also. So all of the above. If you have not read this topic, then your guess may work well. So all of the above is a correct answer. So you can filter it on the basis of all these three options. A dash helps to display the data in summarized manner. It is used to generate the overall work outcome in a clear format. So form is not the correct answer because it is a user interface. Table is used to enter the data. Query is providing us some filtered data, some specific record from the large bunch of records. So correct answer is report. Report provides a summarized data in a clear format. Next is, a dash is a computer that stores websites and the related files for viewing on the internet. So if you want to view something on the internet, then you definitely you are viewing it over the server. So correct answer is web server. Next, we have, to retain the original proportion of the graphic during resizing an image, dash one of the corner handles, then drag. So what you have to do, which shortcut key you have to do, so you have to use when you're resizing an image, you have to use these combination of the keys along with. So resize to resize, so correct answer is shift plus click. Shift plus click is the correct answer. These all questions are given in your handouts. I told you number of times that give a reading in the to the handouts. They will really be helpful to you. The dash hyperlinks opens an email message that is pre-addressed to a particular recipient in OpenOffice Kelsey. So this is from the topic hyperlink, how to create the hyperlink. When you go to insert and click on the hyperlink option, it opens a hyperlink dialog box, insert hyperlink dialog box, in which we have different option: document, email. So one of them is that is the email message will be given. So yes, email, you might think email will be there, internet, definitely internet will not be there. It will provide you the link to the another website. Email and recipient will not be there. Email and news can be the correct answer. So yes, email and news is the correct answer. Next, we have fourth question of the MCQ. When creating a database, an important feature is dash in every table. So, like whichever table you create, whether one table or 100 table you create, it is one feature which should be available in that. That is record identification, record numbering, record uniqueness, record requirement. So every like, record should be identified uniquely. That is the correct answer. So record uniqueness is the correct answer. Next, we have unlike email, dash happens in real time and response from participants can be spontaneous. So instant message, instant report, instant command, none of the above. It's very easy question. Instant messages is a correct answer for this. Next, the dash mode is used to apply a style to many different areas quickly without having to go back to the styles and formatting window and double click every time in Kelsey. So if you have like if you want to copy, like you simply copy and paste the text. If you want to copy and paste the formatting, you have applied some formatting to some text and you want to apply the same formatting to some other text. So the option which is available here all seem similar. So there are a number of chances. If you have not read the topic clearly, you have not read the options clearly, you may get confused, but the correct answer is fill format. Fill format is the correct option. Correct answer. The first label on the page is termed as the dash, and all other labels are linked to either master label, main label, title label, header label. All seems that they can be as the first label can be called as a master label also, main label also, title also, header also. Still confused, but the correct answer is your master label. Next, we have dash is one of the other examples of own and funds transfer. So neft is the correct answer. Only the term has been used in such a way that it is so neft is the correct answer. Next, we have the last MCQ. Next, first one, for the table of contents, to use the graphics in background, choose dash to stretch the graphic so that it fills the entire background area. So entire background area. So somehow the question answer is inside the question only, but guess will not work. You must have to learn the content. Some of the option you need to understand, some of the option you need to learn. So the correct answer is area. So area is the option which provide you this feature. Files and folders deleted by the user are stored in the dash. So recycle bin, trash, all of the above. In Windows operating system, it is always known as recycle bin, but when you use Linux operating system, then it is generally termed as trash. So that's why all of the above is the correct answer. Next, we have which what if analysis tool would you use solve the problem. You want to figure out how to keep a home loan under rupees 1,20,000. So somehow all these are what if analysis, and which one will be used that that you are going to achieve this amount for the home loan. So you might say that, ma'am, so with the solver also we can deal with scenario also, but that we are doing when we are going to deal with the multiple variables, right, or the different values. Here we have a target that we want to achieve it as 1,20,000. So for that a specific target we use goal seek. So correct answer is goal seek. Next, we have when a primary key constraint is applied on one or more columns, then it is known as. So primary key concept is very common, which you have used, but you're using more than one key as a primary key. You're using more than one field as a primary key, then it forms another key which is known as the correct answer is composite key. That is known as like if you have roll number and name, and somehow roll number is having some like different section roll numbers are there, and roll numbers are still same because they belong to different sections. So what can you do? So name, roll number, and section are given. So what can you do? You can use name, sorry, you can use roll number and section. Suppose 12 roll number A section, 12 roll number B section, more than one field you are using to make it as a primary key, so which will act as a primary key. So that will be known as a composite key. When more than one field you will use to create a primary key, that will be known as a composite key. Next, we have to display the records containing the same type of values. Dash clause can be used with the select SQL command. So very easy question, answer is already mentioned here. Where clause will be used here. So this was all about your set A. Now further we will be discussing about the answers of set B. Set B we will be discussing. So let's move to the next. So let's proceed. Now we have set B. First MCQ. Which of the following is essential for maintaining a keyboard? Turn the keyboard upside down and shake it to remove foreign material. Foreign material means extra material which is actually catched between the keys and all. Blow dust and other particles with the help of a blower. Use a very dilute combination of soap and water applied with a non abrasive cloth to remove stains from uh, to remove the stains from the keyboard. All of the above, so any one of them can be done, so all of the above is the correct answer. Next we have Next question we are having. So Sheila decides to sell her company tires in Sri Lanka. It doesn't sell and she has a loss. She apologized to the people who work for her. She says she will plan better next time. She takes responsibility, thinks before making a decision, does not give up, is creative. So what should be the correct answer? This is actually open mind question, but very smartly you have to give the answer of this question. So she takes the responsibility is the correct answer. She takes the responsibility that she apologized to everyone, and she also planned that she will have a better plan from the next time. So she's actually taking the responsibility. Choose the option which is not a sustainable development goal according to the United Nations. So the correct answer is that I definitely sure that you will be more aware about this answer, because this is the easiest topic in your book for this content. Population is the correct answer. Which of the following traps small children into inappropriate relations? So that will be online predators is the correct answer. Next, we have a second question for the MCQ. Simulates the effect of time on picture. Can be applied several times. A further opens to adjust aging level. What is it? So answer is given in the question only. So answer is aging only. Fine. You can see your database by pressing dash when you are in a writer or a Kelsey document. So correct answer is F4. So F4 is the correct answer. Numeric data type are used for describing numeric values for the field used in a table for a database. So which one will be used? Numeric data type. Only numeric data type is saying. So it will be numeric data type. So this will not be correct answer. Only the numeric data type will be the correct answer. Fine. Let me Next, computers are prone to attacks from software known as dash that could harm your computer. So correct answer is malware is the correct answer for this. When dash is selected, the remaining part of the image is enlarged or shrunk so that the width and height of the image remains unchanged. So correct answer is very confusing, but still if you have read the concept clearly, sorry, keeps image size is the correct answer. Next is Next we have dash mode is used to apply a style to many different areas quickly without having to go back to the styles and formatting window and double click every time in Kelsey. So this is another question which is already was being asked uh, which was being asked in this. So correct answer for this is uh, fill color is mentioned here, but the correct answer is your fill format is the correct answer, not fill color. Don't get confused between this. Fine, fill format is the correct answer. Next is identify the correct statement. So you have to identify the correct statement in this. So you have to see the errors here, and very minute error can be there. So this is the correct answer because update is the correct statement which will be used. Next, when visit a specific website that uses dash, you might be asked to fill out a form providing your email address and website preferences. So correct answer is cookies is the correct answer for this. To retain the original proportion of the graphics during resizing an image, dash one of the corner handles and drag. Shift plus click is the correct answer. Okay, next we have while using consolidate tool, text in the tables labels must be dash so the rows and columns can be accurately matched. So correct answer is yes. Correct answer is corresponding. It is corresponding. It is a very journal answer, like the distinct will not be there, factor will not be there, whereas they are the synonyms of the word. All of the above cannot be there. So this is only the one word which is similar to the word. Next we have another MCQ. Original author of the worksheet can accept or reject changes made by other users. So true or false? Yes, the one who has actually created and shared the worksheet, they can do this. So true is the correct answer for this. Next we have to view the published content. Open the dash and type your blog address. Open the web browser and 1 minute. Open the web browser and type your blog address. Next we have which of the following method is appropriate to insert an image in a writer document? Drag and drop, insert menu, clipboard, all of the above. So all of the above is the correct answer. The first label on the page is termed as dash and all other labels are linked to it. Again, answer will be master label is the correct answer. This system ensures that differently abled are assisted and guided out of the premises or impacted area properly. So what kind of system is this? This term is given over there. That is correct answer is buddy system. All are actually having the similar meaning, but the term which will be used, that will be buddy system. Next, fifth question, the last question of the MCQ. The first is tool. This tool keeps a track what data was changed, when the change was made, who made the change, and in which cell the change has occurred. So the correct answer is Hanji. Anyone? Any guesses? Yes, record change is the correct answer. Files and folders deleted by the user are stored in the all of the above. It can be trash also. It can be recycle bin also. Which what if analysis tool you use the solve the problem? You want to figure out how to keep a home loan under rupees 1,20,000. So goal seek is the correct answer. Dash data types in a database can be using for storing photos, music files, etc. So answer is binary. In database Kelsey, by default length of the field is, what is the default length of the field is? If you have read it clearly, 10 is the default. Then like if you have taken, if you're choosing a field name, so how many characters maximum you can enter? That is 10. But if you want to increase, you can increase it by 255. So this was about the marking scheme for the set B. I hope you have scored good marks, and most of your answers are correct because all these were being discussed with you during the discussion of the different topics. So I'm expecting and hoping a good result this time, uh, and I hope that you were not able to find answers from the Google. Fine. So Thank you, and